Tonight on Cooking with Adam, we'll be making roasted bone-in, skin-on chicken pot pie with peas, carrots, and buttermilk biscuits. Let's get started. Before I get started, just a quick note, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, as my other videos, please smash that like button. If you need these step-by-step instructions, no problem. In the description, click on that link to my website, and you can follow step-by-step. Also, a link to the cooking tools and a free trial to Home Chef. So with that said, let's get started. We have 4 teaspoons of chicken Demi-Glace, 1 ounce of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 ounces of peas, 1 shallot, 1/4 ounce of parsley, 4 ounces of buttermilk biscuit mix, 4 fluid ounces of light cream, 3 ounces of Matchstick Carrots, and 16 ounces of bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts. As always, we're going to need some utensils to cook the meal, so let's get started with that. We have 1 pan, 1 baking sheet. We'll need some aluminum foil. You need 2 bowls to chop and dice a few things, or a couple things. Your favorite knife, sharpened. Some salt and pepper. Some cooking spray. Some olive oil. And a mixing bowl, medium sized. Very simple instructions. We're going to mince the shallot, and we're going to de-stem and roughly chop the parsley. Pretty simple. Alright, so now we're going to take the chicken out of its paper wrap after we rinsed it, and we're going to put salt and pepper on both sides. Before you do this, you should get your pan on nice and hot and ready, so it can just transfer immediately into the pan. In the pan, again, we'll be doing about 2-3 minutes each side, and it goes into the oven for about 12 minutes. Pat it and flip. Repeat. Get over to it with the pan on nice and hot, medium to high flame. Add a little olive oil. Skin side down for about 2.5-3 minutes. Now to flip it over. Easy. Do it nicely. And we're going to let it cook for about another 3 minutes. Normally I just put this now onto the sheet and into the oven, but these are a little thick, so I'm just going to turn them over and for 2 minutes get this side. Alright, we're now going to transfer to the baking sheet over here. This will go into the oven for about 12-13 minutes. We're now going to make the biscuits. If you have a whisk, that helps. If not, a spoon will be fine. I'm going to take the 4 ounces of Buttermilk Biscuit mix. Cheese. And water. About a 1/4 cup. And combine. Like that in 2 parts. This should make approximately 4 biscuits. And we will just add that to baking sheet in about 8 minutes. A nice ball, and this is going to be pretty simple to do. Alright, so we're going to now spray the this half of the baking sheet. I've made the mix into 4 little pieces. That's the size that it comes in. You want to spray with, again, some cooking oil so it doesn't stick. And this can go in for another 12 minutes until the biscuits are lightly brown and the chicken is done. We'll also check internally to see the temp is around 165 degrees. We're now going to make the sauce. So it's pretty simple. We're in the last inning, so let's get started. Add a little olive oil. Medium to low heat. No, medium to high heat. Add the carrots. And the shallots. And we're going to stir occasionally for about 4 to 5 minutes, give or take. It's all nice and combined. So no need to rinse the pan out. So we get all the juices from the chicken along with the chicken pieces into the carrots and the shallot. Alright, we're now going to add the cream and the Demi-Glace. And we're going to stir for about 30 seconds. Cut the heat. Add the peas and the parsley. Mix together. And we're all good. We have 30 seconds on the clock for the biscuits and chicken. And all ready. Right on schedule. Alright, we're going to check the temp. Make sure it's over 165. Excellent. We're now going to mix the fork. Make a piece of chicken. Sauce. And 2 of the biscuits. Both we have a big one and a small one. There you go, tonight's meal. Stay tuned for the video. Guys, delicious meal. The biscuits were moist and tasty. Chicken very moist, and the sauce was very tasty as well. I definitely make this again. If you guys made it, let me know what you think. Also, if you like this channel, please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you like this video, please smash that like button. Until next time, keep cooking.